weather has improved significantly. We're out here going on a hike around the point and we're being chased by 300 students. So we gotta walk faster than them. So we're probably about, what, a third of the way through the hike?
At least, yeah.
And it's not very hot, but it's super humid. I'm just dumping sweat, like absolutely dumping it. My body's,
don't like the sweat.
Yeah, Haley's fine, but my
I'm
body's
still
like,
sweating.
hey, you haven't sweated for like 3 days, so I'm gonna sweat the past 3 days worth of sweat right now. We have officially veered off the coast and we are walking through the forest.
Very relaxing.
Hopefully we can find some koalas. We are currently driving from Noosa to Mooloolaba and stopping at a bunch of beaches and little walks along the way to kind of buy some time, since we're waiting probably another hour and a half before Airbnb opens up, but we're finding some really cool hikes. So we got down to the beach and we saw this little rock and picked it up, and it's super light. It's pumice.
That's so weird.
It's everywhere. We made it to Mooloolaba and we have a really cool place here. Excellent view.
So here's our little
Laundry.
It's a big deal when you're traveling.
No more stinky. A room with literally just a toilet. It is what they call a water closet. And then our bathroom. Got kitchen, living room, and pretty awesome view. And back over here we have super awkward shutters that go into the bedroom. I'm not really sure what the purpose is, but you can open and close them as you wish for whatever reason.